How to open an MT5 Forex account. Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to open an MT5 Forex account. With this account, you can trade quickly and efficiently on the MetaTrader 5 platform. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from a Forex broker, visit trading68.com/broker name. Or click on the link to open a Forex account in the description of this video. Now, let me show you how to open a Forex account with the broker Exness. You can visit Exness at trading68.com/Exness. For other brokers, simply replace the broker name accordingly. Let's get started. After you visit the site, you will see the official interface of Exness, as shown on the screen. To open an account, click Register. This is the account creation part. You must fill in your country or region of residence, email, and password. Note that the password must be between 8 and 15 characters. At least one upper and one lower case letter. At least one number. And at least one special character. Please refer to the example on the screen. When the text here turns green, it means the password you entered meets the requirements. Click Continue. This is the Choose Trading Account section. Here, we have two options: Demo Account and Real Account. In the Demo Account, you can try trading on the platform with a virtual currency of $10,000. The Real Account allows you to trade with real money, make instant and automated withdrawals. If you want to open a demo account, click here. To open a real account, click here. I choose to open a real account. You need to fill in your account details to make your first deposit. Click Complete Profile to proceed. The verification steps include confirm email address, confirm phone number, and add profile information. Click Get Started now. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your email. Here I received an email about the verification code. If you do not see the email in a few minutes, click here. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the email that Exness has sent. This is the verification code. I will enter the code here. We have completed confirming the email address. Click Confirm Phone to continue next step. Here you fill in your phone number. After filling, click Continue. This is the code that Exness has sent me. Enter the code here. The final step is to add profile information. Click Complete now. This is the section to add profile information. Please fill in your first and last name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, and residential address. After filling, click Continue. Next, you need to answer the questions from Exness. After selecting, click Submit. Contact details verified. Click Verify Identity now. On the next screen, Exness will ask you to upload 1 or 2 documents that can prove your name and country, or region of residence. Below is Check Your Name. Check your name is entered correctly. If it's wrong, click here to edit. After editing, click Save. Click Upload Documents. This is Data Use Agreement. If you are citizen of, or resident of, or live in US resident, click here. Otherwise, click here. Click Continue. This is Verify Identity section. In the Country or Region section, if you want to change, click here. Select your identity document. Here, we have passport, driver's license, ID card, and residence permit. You can choose any document you want. Here, I choose ID card. Here are Exness's requirements for uploading photos. Click here to upload a photo of the front of the document. There are 3 options: Photo Library, Take Photo, and Choose File. I choose Photo Library. Click here to upload a photo of the back of the document. After uploading the document, click Submit Document. Your documents are under review. This process usually takes from 3 to 7 minutes, but might last up to 24 hours in special cases. Once the identity verification process is complete, you can proceed with deposits and trading. There is one final step for address verification. However, we can skip this step, because Exness only requires you to verify your address when depositing over $2,000. Click here. Next, click My Account. You will manage your trading accounts here. The account is divided into 2 sections: Real Account and Demo Account. In the Demo Account section, there is a Demo MT5 standard account that Exness created for users. In the Real Account section, there is a Real MT5 standard account that Exness created for users. To open a new MT5 account, click Open Account. The available accounts are Standard, Pro, Raw Spread, Zero, and Standard Cent. I choose the Standard account because this is a popular account type and suitable for all traders. Then click Continue. Here, we have Demo account and Real account. I will guide you to open a Real account. In this section, you need to choose currency, nickname, max leverage, platform, and create a trading password. For your password, please note that it must be between 8 and 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Please refer to the example on the screen. When the text here turns green, it means the password you entered meets the requirements. Click Create Account. The trading account has been successfully created. To log into the trading platform, you will need some information such as the server name, login account number, and password of the account. To find the account information, first, click here. Then choose Account Information. Here is server and login account number. Now, you can log into your account and proceed to trade. You can refer to the video tutorial, how to download and trade on MT5, which I have given in the description of this video. I have finished guiding you on how to open MT5 Forex account. Wishing you success.